Alright, so let's try to answer this question. Which expression can be placed under the radical symbol to make this statement true? One way of solving this is to solve each of the options and check which one will be equal to 5 square root of 3, meaning simplify square root of 90 and then try to check if you'll be able to get 5 square root of 3. Now, but that's a very long procedure. Okay, to answer this, note that 5 is equal to 5 squared square root. So these two are the same thing. If these two are the same thing, what I can do here is to replace 5 by square root of 5 squared. So your 5 is just equal to square root of 5 squared. Bring down square root of 3. Now I have here square root of 5 squared times square root of 3. We'll have 5 squared times 3, which is 25 times 3, which is equal to square root of 75. So this expression here is equal to 75. So the correct answer is letter D. So stated in a different way, we can bring in the coefficient inside the radical sign if we are going to multiply the exponent of the coefficient by the index. So 5, the index is 2, so 2 times the exponent of 5 will be equal to 2, and then we'll have 3 times 25, which is equal to 75. So this is the expression. Okay, let's have the second example. Now again, we would like to bring this coefficient inside our radical sign. Again, note that 2 is equal to 2 squared square root. X cubed is equal to square root of x6, and then y4 is equal to the square root of y raised to 8. So if we would like to bring this coefficient inside the radical sign, we will have x and y. I will just have to copy x and y here. Now 2 is equal to 2 squared. X cubed is equal to x6, and then y4 is equal to y8 inside the radical sign. So when you simplify the expression inside the radical sign, we'll have this is 4, x times x6 is x7, y times y8 is y9. So the expression inside the radical sign is 4x7 y9. So the correct answer is letter. Again, shortcut. If you would like to bring this one in inside the radical sign, I just need to raise everything here by 2, which is equal to the index of our radical sign. And then we'll have xy, then distribute your exponent. So this one is 1, so you'll have 2 raised to 2, power to a power, that's 6. y4 raised to 2 is y8, and then just simplify this, you'll be able to get 4x7 y9. Or final question. So we would like to bring this one inside the radical sign. So what I'm going to do here is to raise my coefficient by 2, and then we can now bring everything inside the radical sign. Simplifying this, we'll have 5ab, this is 1, so distributing the exponent, we'll have 3 raised to 2, a raised to 4, and then b raised to 14. So this one is equal to 9. 9 times 5 is 45. A times A4 is A5. B times B14 is B raised to 15. So the expression inside the radical symbol is 45 A5 B15, letter C.